Elon Musk was born in South Africa in 1971. He was a small boy, but he had a big mind. Elon loved to read books. He loved to read about science, space, and machines. Elon often told himself, I want to make big things. I want to change the world. At school, some children laughed at Elon. They said, You are too small. You cannot do big things. But Elon thought, where there is a will, there is a way. I can do big things. Elon worked hard. He learned computers. He learned math. He learned how machines work. Every day, Elon repeated, I can do it. I will do it. Where there is a will, there is a way. When Elon was 17, he moved to Canada and later to the United States. He wanted to study and start a new life. Elon did not have much money. Sometimes he slept in small rooms or shared a bed with friends. Sometimes he did not have enough money for food. But Elon always said, I can do it. I must do it. Where there is a will, there is a way. One day, a friend asked, Elon, why do you work so hard? Why do you spend so much time on your ideas? Elon smiled and said, I have a dream. My dream is big. If I have a will, I will find a way. Elon's first big idea was PayPal. He wanted to make it easy for people to send money on the internet. Many people said, this will not work. The internet is too new. People do not trust it. But Elon believed. He worked day and night. He talked to banks, engineers, and investors. He solved problems. He made new ideas. Finally, PayPal became very successful. Elon said, see, where there is a will, there is a way. Elon did not stop at PayPal. He wanted something bigger. He wanted to go to space. Elon said, I want to make space travel easy. I want humans to live on other planets. Many people laughed. They said, you cannot do this. Space is too expensive. Rockets are dangerous. But Elon believed. He said, I have a will. I will find a way. He started SpaceX, a company to build rockets. At first, SpaceX failed many times. Rockets exploded. Engineers were tired. Investors worried. One night, Elon told his team, do not give up. We can do it. Where there is a will, there is a way. After many tries, SpaceX rockets worked. They went to space. They returned safely. Elon's dream became reality. Elon's next dream was to change cars. He wanted cars that do not hurt the planet. He wanted electric cars. Elon started Tesla. Many people laughed. Electric cars are too slow. They are too expensive. You will fail, they said. Elon worked hard. He spent long nights in the Tesla factory. He helped engineers. He solved problems. He tested cars again and again. Sometimes Tesla almost failed. Elon had little money. He even sold his own house to keep the company alive. But he said, I can do it. I will do it. Where there is a will, there is a way. Slowly, people began to believe in Tesla. The cars became popular. People loved them. Elon's dream of clean energy started to come true. Elon's life is not easy. He failed many times. Rockets exploded. Cars had problems. People criticized him. But Elon always said, failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. If I have a will, I will find a way. Elon believes in learning from mistakes. Every failure is a step to success. He never stops trying. Elon's work is not just for money. Elon wants to help people. He wants to help the planet. He wants to help the future. He builds electric cars to reduce pollution. He builds rockets to explore space. He builds solar panels to give clean energy. Elon often says, I want to make life better. I want to make the future better. If I have a will, I will find a way. Elon's story is simple. He had a dream. He had a will. He worked hard. He did not give up. He repeated 3 important words in his life. Will, I want to do it. I have a will. Way, I will find a way. There is always a way. Work, I must work hard. I must never stop. Short dialogues from life. Engineer, Elon, the car will not work. Elon, try again. We can do it. Where there is a will, there is a way. Team member, the rocket exploded. Elon, it is okay. We learn. We try again. Where there is a will, there is a way. Friend, why do you work so much? Elon, I have a dream. I have a will. I will find a way. Elon Musk's life teaches a simple lesson. Where there is a will, there is a way. If you have a dream, work hard. If you face problems, do not give up. If you fail, try again. Even small people can do big things. Even small actions can change the world. Moral: where there is a will, there is a way. If you believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up, you can achieve your dreams.